Two bonny boys were going to the school, and one evening coming home, says John to William, can ye throw a stone, or can ye play at the ba', or can ye play at the ba'? Says William to John, I canna throw a stone, nor little can I play at the ba', but gin he'll gang doon to yon merry green woods, and I'll try ye a wrestling fall, I'll try ye a wrestling fall. So they've gane doon to yon merry green woods, beneath the spreading moon, when a little penknife fell out of William's pocket, and gave John his deadly wound, and gave John his deadly wound. And that she'll tak off your white holland shirt, and you'll tear it frae gear to gear, and he will bind my bloody wound, say it will blood nae mair, say it will blood nae mair. And he's took off his white holland shirt, and he's tore it frae gear to gear, and he did bind his bloody wound, but it bled 10 times mair and mair, and it bled 10 times mair. Oh, and what will I tell to your father dear, this nicht when I gae hame? You can tell him I'm awa' to a London school, and a good scholar I'll come hame, and a good scholar I'll come hame. And what will I tell to your sweetheart dear, this nicht when I gae hame? You can tell her I'm awa' to a London school, and the good books I'll bring hame, and the good books I'll bring hame. And what will I tell to your stepmother dear, this nicht when I gae hame? You can tell her I'm deed and in grave laid, for she prayed I might never come hame, she prayed I might never come hame.